In this video, I will show you how to remove all files from a folder using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard, or you can search for terminal from your Applications menu. Now go to the folder where your files are. To do that, use the cd command. For example, if your folder is called folder A, type cd space folder A. Then press Enter. Now you are inside that folder. To remove all the files, type this command, rm_. Then press Enter. This will delete all files in the folder, but it will not delete any folders. If you want to delete everything, including subfolders, type this command instead, rm_r_. Then press Enter. Be very careful with this command because it removes everything in the folder and there is no undo. That's it. Now you know how to remove all files from a folder using the command line in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching this tutorial.